Tired of battling dry, damaged hair that looks dull and frizzy? Imagine restoring your hair's natural strength and shine with a simple daily routine. The Bedhead Resurrection Shampoo and Conditioner Set promises exactly that: deep cleansing and powerful repair for hair that needs a second chance. I've seen firsthand how this professional duo works wonders. The shampoo goes beyond basic cleansing. It removes dirt and buildup while repairing severe damage. What stands out is its ability to smooth frizz and boost hair strength, even when your hair feels fragile or over-processed. The conditioner complements this by nourishing deeply, smoothing damaged strands, and leaving hair feeling softer and healthier after every wash. Plus, it's gentle enough for colored hair, so you don't have to worry about fading or further damage. What makes this set a go-to is its formula packed with amodimethicone, which targets external damage to leave hair visibly healthier and smoother. Glycerin locks in moisture and nourishment, while benzotrimonium chloride adds an extra layer of conditioning. The generous 25-36 fluid ounces bottles offer great value, and the subtle papaya chill pill fragrance adds a refreshing touch to your haircare routine. If you want your hair to feel soft, shiny, and resilient, this set is worth a look. Using the Bedhead Resurrection Shampoo and Conditioner is straightforward. Massage the shampoo into wet hair, rinse thoroughly, then apply the conditioner from mid-length to ends. Leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing well. This routine not only repairs but also protects your hair between salon visits, keeping it looking healthy and vibrant. If you're ready to give your damaged hair the care it deserves, this professional repair set offers what you need: strength, smoothness, and lasting moisture. Try it when you're ready and watch your hair transform into its best version yet.